In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT or any coin from Binance application to Kucoin application. I will show you that which network you have to select for the small fees. So let's come on the Binance application first, where I will show you that how you can withdraw USDT from Binance application. So I have opened Binance application on my cell phone. Now to transfer USDT from Binance application to Kucoin application, so you have to come on the wallet. On the support section, you can see deposit and withdraw. So currently we are doing withdraw from Binance application and we will do deposit on Kucoin application. So click withdraw and here you have to select that which coin you want to withdraw. So currently I want to withdraw USDT from Binance application, USDT. So I have 21 USDT in my Binance account. Click on it. So there are two options, send via crypto network and send via email, phone, ID. Currently we are transferring from one exchange to another exchange. So we will select send via crypto network. If you transfer from Binance to Binance application, then you can select send via email, phone, ID. So currently we are transferring from via crypto network. Click send via crypto network. So here you have to put the address, network and withdrawal amount. Before adding the address, we have to verify which network is available on the Kucoin and the Binance application. So these are the networks which are available on the Binance application. So if you see TRC20 fee is 1 USDT and minimum withdrawal 10 USDT and BEP20 network fee is 0.19 USDT. But currently BEP20 network is not available on the Kucoin application. Similarly, Polygon, Ethereum, Solana fee you can see. So Tron and Solana, both networks are available on the Kucoin application. Using the Solana network, you can withdraw minimum $2 USDT, and using the TRC20, you can withdraw minimum $10 USDT. And fee for the TRC20 and for the Solana both are same. So I will use Solana because I can withdraw minimum $2. I want to withdraw 6 USDT from here. Alright, and here you have to give the address. Now let's come on the Kucoin application, where I will show you that how you can find the deposit address. Come on the Kucoin application. So I have opened Kucoin application on my cell phone. Come on the assets. So on the asset here you can see a deposit, buy crypto and withdrawal. Currently we are doing deposit here. Click on deposit. Which coin you want to deposit? Just select here, or you can search from here. Let's say I want to deposit USDT. Click on it. Alright, so here you can see there are multiple networks, ERC20, TRC20, Sol, Algo. So currently BEP20 network is active on the Kucoin application, but if you select the BEP20 network, here is a warning. Please note that 0.2% fee will be charged for each BEP USDT. So if you transfer 1 USDT, you will get 0.8 USDT. So I will not use this. So if you transfer any amount of USDT, you will be charged for each USDT. So I will not use this. I will use Solana. Click on Sol. Only support SPL associate tokens deposit to utilize token address and transfer check or transfer available. Alright, so everything is good here. Just copy this address. Currently we are doing deposit in USDT. If you select any other coin, then your funds will be misplaced and you will lose your money. I said got it, copy. Now come on the Binance application, paste address here. So you have to ensure all the details, address, network and withdrawal amount. So everything is correct for me. And on the bottom you can see there is receive amount is 5 USDT and network fee is 1 USDT. Click on withdraw, confirm order. Click on confirm security verification. I will use my thumb. Alright, withdrawal is processing. Click on view history, processing. Now it will take less than a minute to transfer your USDT from Binance application to Kucoin application. Till you can subscribe this channel for more amazing tutorials of the crypto exchanges. So here you can see withdrawal completed in less than a minute. So come on the Kucoin application. Let's see our deposit. Come on the assets, history button and deposit. So here you can see we have received a notification that deposit is successful on the Kucoin application. Click on history button and here you can see the recent deposit. Click on it. 5 USDT has been received on our Kucoin account. So here the detail of the deposit, time, network, deposit account is funding account, remarks is deposit. So I hope you understand that how you can deposit USDT in your Kucoin account. So if you face any problem, you can comment down below. See you in the next video.